Hey guys, and welcome back to Everyday Stacy. It is your girl Stacy, and I am coming to you with another video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see all of my videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys for sticking around, and thank you guys for watching my videos. Now, at the end of this video, show your girl some love. If you found this video useful, or if you just like the video, go ahead and like the video for me. If you are someone that wanted to know more information about Grove Collaborative, then comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. If you already subscribed to Grove Collaborative, also let me know your thoughts and let me know what you think and if you think it's worth it. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing showing you what I got in my Grove Collaborative box. So you guys see those ads all the time on social media about Grove Collaborative, and my sister actually gave me a referral code for Grove, just because it's easier to do that if somebody's going to give you a referral code, because they get something, you get something. So she got $10 for it, and I just picked up some cool things. You got to spend at least $24, and they send you all this stuff like freebies and stuff like that. So I picked up a few things that I was interested in trying and a few things that I've already tried that I really like. So I'm just going to go right into the unboxing, show you what I got, and you guys let me know what you think. All right, guys, let's get into it. So first up is this really cool pail. I really like this pail. I thought this was pretty cute. It's just like a cleaning pail, so you can just kind of put some stuff in it. I think this would be really cool if you have multiple items that you are going to be using for cleaning. So like if you have multiple cleaning supplies, sponge, things like that, you can take it and put it in the different areas. So this was the big thing. I got 2 sets of the walnut and cellulose scrubby sponges. So they are supposed to be tough scrubbers with soft touch.